In this video, I will show you how you can add a phone number to your iPad Air. Now there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just open the Contacts app on your iPad. Over here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now in this section, just give a name to your contact number. For example, in the first name section, you can enter the first name of your contact number. And in the last name section, you can enter the last name of your contact number. Now after that, to add the phone number, just tap on the plus icon in front of add phone number. And in this section, just add the phone number. Now after you've done that, now just tap on done to save. And as you can see, this is the contact number which we have saved. Now this is the first method. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen. Now you'll notice that in your iPad Air models, you will find the phone option. Now just tap on the phone app, and by using the phone app, you can save any contact number. To do that, just tap on the dialer icon and dial any number which you want to save. After that, just tap on this plus icon over here, and from here you can either select add to existing contact if you want to add the number to an existing contact, or you can select create new contact. Now if you tap on create new contact, you can enter the first name, last name, you can enter the email. As you can see, this is the phone number which we're trying to save. And after you have entered all the details of the phone number, then just tap on done to save, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.